Hi all, thanks for watching my previous videos on PG Bouncer, backup and recovery using Barman. As I have received requests to do videos on basic database administration tasks on Postgres. So in my upcoming videos, I am going to do the below mentioned tasks. Okay. In my today's session, I am going to show how to install PostgreSQL installation on Ubuntu Server. Okay, let me go to Postgres Portal. Okay, the beauty of this portal is you can find the features whatever added and removed according to each version. That is one thing. And the second thing is, see here they called out, right? You can see 9.5, 9.6, these are all under supported and rest of them are not under support. You can see that one as well. If you come to versioning, okay, you can see when a specific version released and when is its final support date. Okay, and also you can see like professional services, like whoever is providing commercial support. Okay, and you can also report a bug here. Okay, so now what I am going to show, my task now is to install the software on Ubuntu Server. Okay, so I went to download, and Ubuntu will come under Linux operating system. You can go here, Ubuntu. Okay, you can find the steps. Okay, let me explain what I am planning to do in my demo. I will install 3 versions of PostgreSQL software. First of all, why we need multiple versions in one server? There are 2 scenarios. One is when we are upgrading the database from lower version to higher version. The second scenario is it depends upon the application support. Sometimes application requires specific Postgres SQL DB version. Okay, sometimes they require 10 or 11 or 12, whatever it is. So these are all the steps what I am going to do in my PostgreSQL server. Okay, first let me install the software. Go to the portal. Okay, and now I am in the server. This is pretty simple, just copy and paste over here. Okay, okay, this may take a little bit of time. Meantime, let me copy the last command. Okay, it's done. So first I will install version 10. Okay, let me install 11. now 12. So with this I have installed 3 versions of software. Now let me go to Notepad, and as I said, my application 1 is using version 10 and application 2 is using 11, that is cluster version 11. Application 3 and 4 is using cluster version 12. Okay, so I don't want to use the default locations like /var lib, those kind of stuff. Normally we will create separate mount points for each application. So let me create that. Okay, then let me change the permissions. Let us see any clusters are there. There are no clusters running here. This pg_ls cluster, create cluster, those are available in Debian or Ubuntu. In Red Hat Linux that is not there. Now I'm initiating the database for version 10. You no need to bother now. Okay, you can start it manually. Okay, now you can see PG clusters. Okay, it's up and running. Let me create the instance for version 11. That's fine. Let me start. Okay, similarly let me see for okay, and let me create one more instance. Okay, now you see the clusters here. Okay, all are running. So I can easily identify application 1 is using version 10 and application 2 is using 11, application 3 and 4 is using 12. So it is easy to identify. Let me show how to drop the cluster. Okay, since it is up and running, first we need to stop. Okay, then execute this command to drop the cluster. You can see here over here. Okay, similarly you can drop the other cluster with -- stop. That means it will stop and drop. Oh, sorry. Okay, now there are 2 clusters are running on this server. Okay, if you want to drop the clusters app3 and app4, you can use these commands. Okay, I'm not going to drop those 2 clusters. I will use those 2 clusters in my upcoming videos. Okay, similarly you can install the softwares on other OSs. You can go to PostgreSQL portal. Okay, and go to downloads. You can see that one. Okay, with this I am closing my session. If you like my session, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments, please post in comment section. I will review and I will get back to you. Thank you.